Well, ready to set out. Got the snowshoes on early in the morning. It's gonna be awesome. All right, I'm out of the plains and into the canyon. Here we go, time to climb. The trail is excellent. We're following a snowmobile track up through the woods for the first little bit of this climb. It's steep, but it's easy going. First real meadow. We're getting out of the thick trees. I'm at the top of Chicken Knob, and it's gotten really hot now that I'm out in the sun, and it's really pretty up here. Last time I was up here, visibility was like 100 yards, so I didn't even know it was at the top except my GPS told me. And now, oh, it's pretty. Dude, I'm just having such a good day. It's so pretty out here. Man, the snow's perfect. It's warm. It's awesome. I'm on top of an unnamed peak here in the Tetons. And easy going, but man, it's beautiful. Last time I was up here, I couldn't see anything. And now the visibility is unlimited. I've never quite seen the Tetons from this angle before. It's at the end of an awesome day. Woo! Oh, I love it.